What is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with day 3 of the small account challenge with this $500. So today I managed to make $81 with one trade, and yesterday in 3 trades I lost 96. So that just tells you the risk to reward, you know what I mean? So anyways, first trade and only trade was on Meta, and I seen we were in this downtrend. I woke up pretty late today, so that's why I didn't do my live market, analysis pre-market. Woke up pretty late, like 6:39. That's late to me. But anyways, so I seen us in this downtrend intraday, and downtrending. I was just waiting through all this, just watching it, just to make sure price really wanted to go in this downtrend. And I kept seeing this, break down, pop back up, and then break down again. So I was like, okay, on this next breakdown under these lows, if we can come up to retest this level, this 498.81, I'll go short. Long story short, broke down, came back up, broke down, and I waited because it didn't exactly retest. It came back up to touch the level, and I went short right here on this increase of selling volume. As you guys can see here, this is an increase of selling volume. And my price target was 494. Well, a break, to be more specifically, a break of 494 and prior day close, my 2 levels here, because I knew contracts would explode. So long story short, I was up $94, but waiting through a little bit of consolidation, to try to get the hold under, I lost $10, but it's all good. 13, but whatever it is. Anyways, so we started to break down here, and I started to see us rejecting this level once we broke. But once we broke below this, contracts blew up like $40 at least, and I only had 1 contract, so I can imagine if I even had 3 contracts. Yeah, but long story short, I started to see an increase in volume, so I thought it might be bias here. So I was considering cutting my position for a small gain. But I was like, you know what, let me wait, because we're in a downtrend. I'm going with the trend of the day. You got to start reassuring yourself, you know what I mean, especially when it is a good trade. So I was just confident that we were in a downtrend. I wasn't going against trend or anything like that. I knew sellers were in control intraday, and volume was present on this previous reject of my level. So I knew that I should just keep holding. So long story short, we're just playing around here, playing around at this level. And then it finally broke and held, but I waited a little bit. So it sort of popped back up, and I sold somewhere in between this candle body here. Once I seen it break down, and I thought it was just gonna, have an impulse move to the downside, so I held. But then a buyer started to come in a little bit after the prior day close break. So I took my profits within this candle body, which is $81. There you go. And yes, that's why I only risked about $30 per trade, on my account max. That way my risk to reward is always good. You got to know what you're losing. And also, when you are in a winning trade, you don't want to get shaken out of your winning trades, because if you're confident in your losing trades, why can't you be confident in your winning trades that are going with you? So I had to do a little bit of reassuring, and the move happened so quick that I wasn't able to hit record on my Streamlabs. Although I didn't even have the app open. I should. Next time I need to have the app open, and so the button is just right there, and I can just hit record as soon as I enter. So I didn't get the live recording of that. But yeah, I'm really interested to see how tomorrow is going to be, simply because we have news tomorrow. Let's look really quick. Yeah, we have initial jobless claims and wholesale inventories. So the market should have some decent moves tomorrow. But as always, if I take a trade, I'll be recapping it here. So today was a dub with 1 trade. I like these 1 trade days, That's all I need, is 1 good trade a day, you know what I mean? But yeah, anyways, that's really all for me today. My recap, trading Meta. And also, let me just explain to you guys why I traded Meta today. Let me go here to SPY. See, SPY was doing a bunch of BS early morning. And I wasn't with that. Same price action for QQQ, really. So I decided to look at individual names. This was QQQ right here, just BSing around. So I decided to look at individual names because like Meta, Nvidia, names that I know probably will have a move. And Meta was the one that set up for me. So that's the trade I took. But anyways, I appreciate everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.